India is the largest naval power in the region and has a vital role to play with regard to the future of the Indian Ocean. The United States of America also has an extremely significant naval presence in this strategic region. At the same time, it is apparent that the influence of China in the region is also expanding rapidly. China's military modernization, its increasing naval presence in blue waters, and its expanding economic influence in countries in this region has been viewed with wariness by India and the United States of America. The increasing presence of the Chinese Navy in the Indian Ocean, as well as its increasing involvement in a counter-piracy operation in this region, has also been viewed with some concerns by the same powers. However, China has an industry-intensive economy that requires oil imports amounting to more than 200 million tons every year. Most of these oil imports are sourced from the Middle East and then transported through the Indian Ocean to China. It is obvious that the safety and stability of the Indian Ocean is critical for China's energy security, and its increasing interest and increasing naval presence in this region is quite understandable. The assistance China has given to many countries for the development of deep water ports in this region has been an even more contentious issue. Chinese investments or investment commitments for ports at Godha, Pakistan, Marao, Maldives, Hambantota, Sri Lanka, Chittagong, Bangladesh, and Sitwe, Burma has been termed the string of pearls, and a great deal of speculation has surrounded these projects. From the Chinese perspective, as its economy expands through its rapid development, it is only natural that its sphere of economic influence will expand. China has long been an exponent of economic cooperation, and it has been generous and steadfast friend to many countries in the region, including Sri Lanka. However, the presence of Chinese-funded ports in critical positions throughout this ocean region can be perceived by India as a security concern for them. It is very easy to understand this sensitivity. From Sri Lanka's perspective, I wish to clarify that the Chinese investment in the Hambantota port is purely an economic one. On average, more than 300 ships cross the Indian Ocean approximately 10 nautical miles south of Sri Lanka every day. It is important to stress that Sri Lanka is a small nation that is nevertheless very strategically placed at a critical location within the Indian Ocean. This has focused the attention of many powers on this country. However, Sri Lanka has always pursued a non-aligned foreign policy, and our only interest is in our economic development.